first we will take a black paper, and so this is my A4 sheet on which I'm going to paste my haunted house. So I'm just going to draw and do the cutting of the haunted house first. Okay. So you can see, I'll tell you the measurement. So my paper is 18 by 20. So this is 18 and this is 20. Okay. So you can just keep it and see how much paper do you need and how much big house you want to make. So I have just cut the sheet, A4 sheet into half. So this was like this. So I just cut it and I got this paper. Okay. So this is 18 by 20. Okay. So now I'm going to draw a haunted house. So first I will make the base. Okay, if you have any doubt, you can type it in the chat box. Okay. So we are going to make this haunted house. So it's double story. So I'm going to make the base first and the first story later. Okay, so this is what I'm drawing right now, and I'll cut the yellow paper and I will stick on it. Okay. So if you don't have any black paper, then I cannot help you. So you can just directly draw it on your white sheet and then you can color it with the black. Okay, so you can use watercolor or oil pastel color. If you don't have black chart paper, just draw the house on the paper here, and then you can color it with the black color. Okay, black sketch pen. So I just made a straight line. You can use the scale or you can draw freehand. That's absolutely fine. Okay, so now I'm going to make a rectangle in the center. So let me use the scale. This is my scale. Yeah, so that I can get it straight using the scale. Okay. Sleeping or slanting, no. So we have to. So this will be our drawing, which will be vertical. Okay. So this house will. I'll just cut it and I'll just paste it like this here. Okay. So we have to make it vertical, not horizontal, because the house is big and tall. So I'm making the first story of the house. So this is the, and now I'll make the so you have to just draw the shed like this. Okay, just make 2 lines and leave some space. Draw a line here and then make a triangular roof on top of it like this. Okay, so this is 2-story house. Okay, and then we have one small storeroom here. So just make a triangle in the corner like this. Okay. And we have a chimney over here, some chimney kind of stuff. Okay, so this was the drawing for our house. Okay, so if you have just joined, so we are making the haunted house. So take a paper, keep your paper vertical, and then draw the house on the black sheet. Okay, so we will cut it and we will paste it on this, and we are going to make the background on the white sheet. Okay, so please draw a house like this. So this is the ground floor, first floor. Okay, and then there is a storeroom and a chimney. Okay, so then just a minute, we need yellow paper. So I have a yellow paper for the windows. I'm just going to draw windows on it and I'll cut it. Actually, I should draw it in the background. So because this paper is very glittery, so this will be, the window will come here like this. And like this. So this is one window and this is another window. Okay, so window is very easy. You can make 2-3 windows as per your choice. So I made 2 big and 2 small. So one will come here and one will come here. So I need a small one. I'll just make a small, I'll make a door. Yes, you can use red or green or blue for the windows. Okay. Okay, so I'm just going to cut the door and the window. So this is my door. I've just drawn it here and now I'm cutting it. So you need to keep your paper vertical and make the house on the black sheet, and then you need to make the windows with the yellow sheet. Okay. So the house will come here. This looks little big, so I'm just going to cut it in the middle. So this is my house, which will, door will fit in here. Okay. This is the door. Let me trim it a little bit. Yeah. So this is our door and the windows. this window will come here in the center. One window will come here and one small window will come here. Like this. So this is a little big. Let me trim it a little more. Yeah. So this is the window. Okay. So you can make a window here as well. If you want, you can just stick it here. Okay. So let's cut the house and stick it. We will make the background with the oil pastel. Okay. So we have made the house with the sheet, black sheet and yellow sheet. And then we will make the background on the white sheet with the oil pastel. Okay. I hope everybody has got the idea. So some people are saying me to repeat. I just took a black sheet and I drew this line and I made the house, first ground floor, and then this is the first floor, and there is a storeroom and a chimney. Okay. So this is the drawing I have done for the house, and now I'm cutting it. So just cut. So don't cut it separately. So this is just one unit. So you have to cut it along the line. Okay. Okay, so I'm just going to stick the windows. You can just flip it if you want, so that the pencil marks are not visible. So you can just flip it. Okay. Now, just apply the Fevicol and stick it. Okay, so our house is ready. Just remove the wrinkles. You have to stick it properly. So this is the house ready, and now we have to make the monster with the white paper. So take an A4 sheet, we will draw two monster and we are going to cut it. Then we are going to just paste everything on it and we'll make the background. Okay. So I will draw a monster. You have to just not make it very big, just make it little tall. So okay. So this is our monster and his mouth is wide open and he is making a hooting sound to scare all the children. Okay. So you have to draw two of this kind. Okay. So just draw two. So I'm making one more in this direction. This is the body and this is the tail. Okay. So these are the eyes and mouth. Okay. So I'm just going to cut the monster. See, this is the only class we have. We don't have any other class for 3 o'clock or 2 o'clock. Okay. So this is the haunted house we are doing. Today we have only one class. Okay. We don't have two classes today. Just cut it. If you don't want to do the craft activity, you can just directly draw it on your white sheet with the black sketch pen. Okay. So the little monster is ready. One of it. Okay, so I'm keeping it here. If you're not done with the house, you can just do it. And maybe monster you can do later. Okay, people who have not done it. So just complete the house first. That is important, and monster you can do it later also. So I'm just going to outline the monster with the black sketch pen. Yeah, it's little tricky to cut the monster because it has lot of waves. So be careful while cutting it. See, craft activity helps to develop you the motor skills and concentration. Okay, so we are done with all the cutting. So these are the two monsters which are ready with me. So I'm just going to outline it with the black sketch pen and fill in the mouth like this. Okay. So you have to just draw the window also here like this, make a plus sign, it will become a window. Okay. And door is okay. So you can just make a handle of the door. Okay, so windows and door are done. So just outline the, keep it on this and outline. Okay. I hope everybody is following the procedure. If you're not understanding, please type it in the chat. I'll repeat the procedure. Okay, so these are the two little monsters. Okay, and the haunted house. And it looks very exciting, right? I'm already excited about it after seeing the monsters. It's looking so cute. So now we'll make the background. So I'll take the yellow, orange, and red, and black oil pastel color for the background. Okay, so just for you guys. Shall I wait or you are done? I think Athar Gupta is done. No, wait. Okay. Okay. Okay, I'm waiting for 5 minutes. Please complete your craft work. Then we are going to make the base. Okay, so Kanak Agarwal is already done with the house. Very good, Kanak. Nice house. Yeah. So keep your monsters ready to fly. You can make a witch also if you want, okay? So it's totally your choice how you want to make it scary. You can make bat also. You can make witch also with the broom. Okay. By the time I'll just take out my colors and I'll clean my station. I'll just take out orange, yellow, and red, and black. Black. So only 4 colors we need, and we need a rough cloth. I think I forgot to write it in the material. For blending, we need a rough cloth or tissue paper. Okay, so we will paste it later after the background is ready. So keep these 2 cuttings ready separately. So let's make the background on the white sheet. So keep it horizontal, sorry, vertical. Okay, so everybody is saying wait. So I'll just wait for 5 more minutes. Okay, Agamjot, very nice. Haunted house, green and yellow. It's looking beautiful. Yes, Yashas is also done. Very good. Ah, yes, Kavish is also done. Something different. Nice, nice windows, Kavish. Good. Different design of the haunted house. Little more scary. Kashvi, Arush, Arav, Dhruv, Dhananjay, Gravita. You're done, Arush? No? Yes? Arav? You're done with your cutting? No? Okay. Atharv is done. Yes, Atharv. Nice. Nice haunted house. It's looking pretty. Okay. So let's move on. So what we will do is I will leave some space here in the corner for the moon. So this is our moon on the side, okay, on the top left corner, little bit down from the corner. Just make a moon, and so this is the space where you have to do yellow color. Yeah. So I'm going to do the yellow color over here. Just leave the circle for the moon part. Rest all you have to fill it with the yellow. Then you can use this color puff, or you can use yellow color also. Both are okay. So little bit here. I'm leaving this space for the house, so no need to color in this place because it will be covered by the house. Just overlap the color at the boundaries. So, it will come like this actually. Okay, so now we do the orange color. So you have to overlap the color at the boundaries. So just overlap orange. See, for the smooth blending, you have to use, you have to overlap the color at the boundaries, okay? And then I'm taking my red. I'm just applying red after orange. Okay, so this is our base. Now I'm just need to blend it. So just keep your house and see how it is fitting in. If we have left any space, see, I have left this much of space. So I will cover it with the color. So I'll use the yellow color. So depending upon the size of your house, you can just cover up the background. Okay, so now it will be covered almost, I guess. See, you can just keep it and see how it is fitting. Okay, so you have to cover the background fully. So I'll just add a little bit more of orange over here. Okay, so I'm not using the black right now. I'll use it afterwards. So first I will blend it. So just take a rough cloth and start blending from the center outwards like this. So don't do this and then this. Just you have to make a straight blend like this. Okay. So remove all the white spaces. So you have to blend it accordingly so that all the white spaces are gone. I'm just blending it on this side now. Okay, so this is done. So now I'll just apply a little bit of black color on the boundaries. So in all the four corners, just make a small triangle kind of thing in the corner with the black color after the blending is done. So this is one and just around little one line. Okay, because it's a night scene. So in all the four corners, I have applied, I have made a black triangle, small triangle with the black color. Okay, so I'm just applying little bit of black on the boundaries. So this is done. So now just blend it a little bit. Just blend the corner. So just don't wipe off everything. Okay, you have to blend the black color slowly. Otherwise your red and orange color will also come out. Don't press too hard. So the black color got wiped off, so I'm applying a little bit more of black, which you don't need to blend. So only in the corners. You can give a second layer of black color, only in the corners, okay? After the blending is done, just darken the corners, that's it. So the background is ready. Make sure that you don't keep your fingers and make your background messy, okay? So be careful. Now we will stick the house like this. Just apply the glue at the back of the house. Okay, and you have to place it carefully. Just before placing it, see the position, the placement is correct or not. Okay, so I just pasted it here. Just press it. If you feel your colors are becoming light after blending, you can just apply one more layer of the color. Okay, so where are my monsters? These are my monsters. I'm just going to stick it, apply the glue and stick here one. So to give it a 3D look, if you have double-sided tape, so you can make use of the double-sided tape also. So it will be little hopped up and it will look 3D. And after your work is complete, please share it on the Facebook. I'll share the link after the class. Don't forget to post your work. Okay. So these are the monsters. So if you want, you can just cut a bat or anything. You can stick here, or if you have any what do you call witch, so you can just cut it and stick the witch here. Okay, so this is our haunted house. It's ready. So I'll make a bat. So I had this black piece of paper, so I'll just make a small bat on this. Yesterday also you have seen how to make a bat. So you can just make the bat, forehead and ears and wings. Then okay. So is it visible? So this is what I have drawn. Okay, the bat, the way we have drawn it yesterday. So it's not mandatory. If you want, you can do it. If you don't want, it's okay. Okay. So I just wanted to make it more scary. That's why I have made a bat. Just cut and paste. That's it. We are done for today then. Arthur's house is bigger than his paper. How, Arthur? How it is bigger than your paper? I told you the size, right? 18 by 20 centimeter size we have made the house. So you can take a bigger paper for your background. Okay. or you can join two paper and then paste. Yes, you can use crayons, but blending with the crayon is not possible. You can just directly use them. Okay, so my bat is ready and I'm just going to stick it here. A little bit more of trimming. Okay. Here we go. The bat is coming. Be alert. Okay. Okay. So I hope you had fun. So this was the Halloween activity. So I'm just darkening my orange shade a little bit. Okay, so we are good to go. So I hope everybody has enjoyed. If you are done, please show me your work. I'll just check for everyone one by one. Yeah, so this is our haunted house. Okay, who has made the witch Kashmir? Show the witch. So you want me to repeat the bat? Which is okay, yes. This is nice, cute. It's nice. So you can make a cap like this on the witch. Make a triangular cap like this. See, they will wear a hat, right? You can make a hat. Okay. Okay, so you want me to repeat the bat? So I just made a forehead, then ears. Okay, then the wings and two curls, and this is the face of the bat. So this is how I have made the bat. Okay, then just do the cutting. So this is face, ears, wings.